Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the default Kameleon headers. As you can see here, I have no logo and no menu links. I will start by adding in my website logos. Access your Kameleon theme options panel in the Kameleon dashboard. Click logos and upload your different logos. Transparent logo will be applied for fixed header with dark background. As you can see here, now our logo is applied. Let's create a new menu. Go to Appearance, Menus, Add Click or Create New Menu. Start by adding your links or pages to your menu. Here, I will add some custom links just to see how it works. Apply the menu as general menu. As you can see here, now we have our menu applied and displayed in our website header. You can customize the look of your header in the Options panel under the Header Styling tab. You can customize the size, colors, background, fonts, hover effects, and more. For example, now I will change the background color of the top header area. We have created many hover effect styles that you can choose from. Try them all and choose the one you like the most. You can also change the search layout, like drop down, fixed drop, full screen, full width, and more. There are many choices of the default header that you can apply. Let's look at some of them. You have the total freedom in customizing the styles and colors of your default headers. You can choose the content to be displayed in your header and how to display them. You can apply a custom and unique header in your page, different from the global header you have defined in your theme options panel. Just access the backend of your page and make sure to enable custom header as shown here. Now I will show you how to create a drop-down menu and the possible layouts and effects that you can apply. We have created many drop-down menu show effects that you can choose from, and also you can apply many hover effects for the drop-down links. Now let's create a mega menu. Once I have added all the links into my drop-down menu, now I will show you how to enable the mega menu. Make sure in the parent link you enable the mega menu, as shown here. As you can see here, now we have a mega menu and I will enable the column titles as shown. You can control the size of the mega menu container and also the size of the content inside your mega menu. This is just a small portion of what you can achieve with our Kameleon default headers. There are many other possibilities and effects combination that you can make. Just be creative. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.